All right, guys. So this is my client Jovian here, and this is from the last 12 months. So he has gotten over 19,000 playlist ads from May 7th, 2024 to May 6th, 2025. Okay, 500,000 streams, 184,000 listeners, 15,000 saves. You guys see the numbers right there. Okay, so this is his YouTube video here. As you guys can see, let me move this over so you all can see. So this video has 159,000 views 10 months ago, 27,000 subscribers, 1,000 likes, 137 comments. Right, you can guys see this is real people. Okay, this is his Instagram as well. Right, so you guys can see he has real comments as well on his page. Right, real views, 129,000 followers. Okay, so this is an example of one of our viral plan clients. As you guys know, we do have a special going on right now until the 20th for the viral plan. If you're a client with us, you automatically get access to that if you watch this full video and you reply back to the Instagram or to Amy and say viral. You already know that it's a 50% off deal, but we have a special offer if you get it right now until the 20th, okay, to get results like this. Also, we have a copy trading group as well. And basically, these are the results. We have a result which is 11x on your money, actually 12x on your money in 22 minutes. Basically, what you do is you load a certain amount of money into your wallet, let's say $500 to $1,000, and it will copy one to one on what my wallet does. So let's say I buy something, your wallet will buy something. When it's up and I sell it, that's when your wallet will sell it. Okay. Um, as you guys see, this is 11x on your money. I keep saying 11x, 1100%. Okay, but you see, it's a 12x on your money right there. And I just say job's not finished yet, right? And then we see this is a Mother's Day, early Mother's Day pick, which is 169%. You guys have seen that video where I talked about how to save 500 to 1,000 a month as well. All right, so this is the copy trading group. Um, it's originally $2,000 to get in, plus an onboarding fee. But if you get in this month that you receive this video, you actually can get this for a one-time $300 onboarding fee and $200 a month. Okay, if you get this deal this month when you receive this video. If you're interested, reply back to Instagram or to Amy and say crypto. If you want both, comment, reply back and say viral and crypto, and I'll give you the information to get started, or Amy will get you the information to get started. Okay, guys? Talk to you then. Peace.